Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new recipe today. Today is going to be a lunchbox recipe like last week. So today we've made Paneer Bhurji Pulao. This is really easy to make and is healthy because it's got protein in the form of paneer. And it's a one pot dish, so it saves a lot of time. Ingredients list is given below. For more such recipes, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. So let's jump right in. So in a pan I've heated some oil. You can use butter or ghee if you wish to. Into that I'm going to add cloves, cinnamon, bay leaf and cumin seeds. And then we're going to let the spices give out their aroma and the cumin seed brown. Once this is done, we'll add in minced ginger, garlic and green chilli. You can adjust the spice levels in this dish according to who you're serving it for. If it's a kid's recipe, you can just adjust it accordingly. So I'm going to just saute the ginger and the garlic until the raw smell disappears. After which we'll add in the finely chopped onion. Now we don't need to brown the onion as such, we just need to make sure that the color changes to pink. So we're going to saute it for a few seconds. Once the onions are done, I'm going to add the powders, which is Kashmiri red chilli powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder and coriander powder. Add in all the masalas and a teaspoon of water so that the masalas don't burn. So I'm going to just cook the masalas nicely before we add the next set of ingredients. So the masala is done. Now I'm going to add in the finely chopped tomato. And then all that is left to do is cook the masala and the tomatoes until they are soft. So let's saute the tomatoes for a few seconds. And then add in salt to taste. So I'm adding the salt required for the dish. Saute it nicely and we'll cook this until the oil oozes out and the tomatoes are nice and soft. So you can see the oil has oozed out and the masala is nicely cooked. At this stage we are going to add the paneer. So you can either crumble or shred and add the paneer. I have chosen to cut it into small cubes so that there is a little bit of bite in the pulao. So we'll mix the masala into the paneer and let it cook for 1 or 2 minutes. So the paneer is cooked nicely. Give it a mix once again and then we'll add in the next ingredient. So this is cooked basmati rice. I've just kept it cooked and cooled it nicely to room temperature. I'm going to add it into the paneer mixture and we bring everything together, making sure the rice is coated nicely in the paneer masala. You can use leftover rice for this recipe and add a little bit of ghee or butter for extra taste. I'm going to mix it nicely until everything is nicely coated. So make sure the rice is cooked only 80%. If you overcook it, then when you mix up the rice, it will just become mushy. So just make sure you cook it 80%. So now we've mixed the rice nicely. I'm adding some finely chopped mint and coriander leaves on top to give it extra flavor. Mix that as well. And the pulao is ready. We can just switch off the stove and then pack it in your lunchbox. So do try this recipe for your kids when the schools reopen. and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.